Trendy and timeless, the appeal of black front doors. Dear friends, in an ever-evolving world of home design, the allure of black front doors remains both fashionable and enduring, captivating homeowners with their trendiness and timeless elegance. For years, front doors have been white or gray because of their universal neutrality. Even as wall colors and trims have changed with the times, basic white doors seem to stay the same, until now. According to experts, the trend rose to popularity with modern farmhouse decor, but stuck around due to its incredible versatility. The color black is elegant and sophisticated, yet also surprisingly neutral, pairing well with almost any type of decor. Watch through these considerations for black doors for your home. Look good on any style of home. Black is considered the strongest of the four standard neutral colors, the others being white, brown, and gray. Neutrals don't have hue undertones, which means they can be paired with cool or warm palettes. That's why black doors blend beautifully with almost every texture, color, pattern, piece of furniture, or element in an entryway or on a patio. For example, if you have a traditional craftsman home that embraces earthy greens, rich reds, and burnt yellows, black doors can be used to add depth. If you have a modern home that doesn't incorporate much color, black doors can be used to make a bold, unexpected statement without clashing with the rest of your exterior. Conceal dirt. A major downfall of white or light-colored doors in general is that they tend to collect dirt quickly. Handprints, shoe marks, and scuffs can be a pain to scrub out and sometimes will never fully vanish, leaving permanent eyesores. With black doors, this isn't nearly such an issue, because they tend to camouflage dirt and imperfections better than white doors. Create a focal point. The color black is surprising, dramatic, and bold. Black transforms a basic front door into a unique focal point that looks expensive and custom. Plus, there are many ways to play around with the finish to achieve your ideal look. The higher the gloss, the more dramatic your black doors will be. Just remember to keep in mind that a high gloss will magnify dents and dings. The same is true for matte finishes, as the lack of sheen will show handprints. If you are opting for black doors because they are easier to keep clean, go with a semi-gloss or satin finish. Also, it's important to note that your entry door does not have to match your shutters or other parts of the exterior of your home. Consider the impact your front door has on curb appeal and decide how you want to showcase it so passers-by and guests notice. You may opt for a black door with glass to maximize the light coming into your home, or choose a door with architectural details that will accentuate this dark hue. Make ceilings appear taller. Your black exterior door shows up nicely from the inside of your home too. Grand entrances are not just for foyers. You can carry that dramatic effect throughout your home with black interior doors. If you have low ceilings or a room that feels a bit claustrophobic, black interior doors may be the perfect solution to help open a space. Because black doors become the focal point of a room, they will draw the eye upward. This helps elongate the walls by creating the illusion that your ceiling is taller than it really is. As a bonus, they also help reflect light, especially with a glossier finish, which can make a room feel larger. Timeless. The same reason black goes with everything is the same reason it will never go out of style. It's neutral. Remember sponge-painted accent walls? How about shiplap? Interior design trends like this come and go. However, as the rest of your decor changes, your black interior doors will continue to look good. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.